Hey guys, this is Mike from RV Depot down in beautiful Cleburne, Texas. Today I want to show you a 2020 Holiday Rambler Invicta. This coach has got 7,500 miles on it. Garage kept, pretty well brand new. Look at it, we'll start down this side. I want you to notice almost the full length of the slide right from behind the driver's seat all the way to into the back towards the bedroom of the coach. As you walk along, notice you got plenty of storage compartments, generator systems right here, your hot water heater systems right here. Look at this. Outside playing down on the coast and you need to take a quick shower before you go in, we got an outdoor shower for you. This coach is a gas rig. It's got 320 horsepower, 460 pounds of foot torque. It will tow up to 8,000 pounds. That'll take care of most of your car needs, pulling your small car to run around in. Come around here. Like I said, it is a gas engine, easy access for fuel right here. As you come along, you'll notice your power system is right here to plug in when you're outside. Easy access, cords come right out. Not a problem to hook up. Coming around here, you got a city water, you got your Santa flush here. So as you're syncing up everything at the campground, unless you're boondocking. Now, I want you to know that most of the newer units here, they're set up if you want to add solar. They have the pre-wiring, so things of that nature. So if you're out in the middle of nowhere, you don't got to worry about running out of everything. So come on around the back. Like I said, we're easy to find, rvdealerstx.com. Look online, we've got 360 views of this beautiful coach, umpteen pictures, and you got a lot of folks here who'll answer any questions. Phone number's at the bottom of the screen, so don't hesitate to look us up, call, come by, whatever you need to do. Shoot us an email, we'll take care of you. If you swing around to the right side, you'll notice the slide out on the bedroom here. One thing I do want you to note is above the slide outs, how they have the awning covers. What is that important for? That will keep debris, things out of your slide when they come in. Helps take care of it, okay? Keeps it running great. Notice the tires on here. Nice Michelin tires. Like I said, this coach only has 7,500 miles on it. This still got the nubby knobs on it. This tire is great. So everything on this coach is good. Here's your propane system. The days of having to go lug the little bottles around, no. All you gotta do is pull right up. They hook in and fill your tank for you right here. Easy as that. Easy access, easy to open and close. Right here, I want you to notice I've got this open. We'll go inside in a sec. Nice afternoon, you're sitting out. Got covered awning that slides out and it is all power to come out. You sit out, look at here. You have an outdoor entertainment center. Nice speakers, sit out. Have your beverage of choice, watching the kids play, you're sitting there looking at the lake, everything. Easy access to this as well. Also, I want you to notice the very nice graphics, paintwork. Notice how they did this, very colorful. This looks great all the way around. Very clean, frameless windows. Notice these nice frameless windows. They're very tinted already in the back. Clearer up front. Also, one thing I didn't mention on the other side, this is a camera. You have side view cameras along with the rear view cameras on this coach. That is a very great feature when driving one of these. Easy to back up, easy to maneuver. That way you know what's on the side. You're making a turn, you know what you're doing. Let's go inside and take a look at this. Now I want you to notice when I open the door. Nice power steps, simple, come down 2-step entry and then 2 steps inside the coach. Come on in. Okay, so we've made it inside the 2020 Holiday Rambler Invicta. I wanted you to see the beautiful entry coming in. I want you to know right off the get-go that this coach will sleep 8 people comfortably. How do you do that in a 35-foot motor coach? Very simple. You have an overhead powered bunk that'll sleep 2 right here. This powers down to here. I will show you that. 2 people on this bed that folds out to a bed. This table will go down. This entire system right here will turn into a bed that covers up so you have a comfortable sleeping area. And then of course the master in the back, which we'll show you shortly. So 8 people can sleep in this 35-foot coach. Come on up to the front for a minute. I'm going to show you the cockpit and some of the things we have in here. Now, you have, obviously you have the front privacy shade, plenty of overhead storage above. Now, this is a modern design. It's very simple, very elegant, easy to operate. You have your video system here. You have your camera control system over here. You have different modes. You can look at different points on the camera system by a push of a button. Obviously, it has cruise control. You have all your controls for your dash right here. It's all dash mounted, so you don't have to take your eyes or your hands off the road. You also have your electronic leveling system right here. When you stop, before you even get up, you push a button, this coach will level itself for you. Simple and easy to use. Very comfortable chairs. These captain chairs are very well. Look at that, they're double stitched all the way around. Two-tone seating. Okay, you have a slide out tray for your passenger over there to sit comfortably if they're wanting to read, work, get on the laptop while you're driving. Power, this coach is power seats. See, everything very easy to use. Cup holders, they're very accessible. These chairs do swivel around so that you can sit while you're entertaining with your friends or family, whatever the case may be. Stepping up, I'm about 6'2" on a good day, and I still have plenty of room to get underneath this when this is all the way up. So very easy access. It doesn't feel cramped in here. Beautiful couch seating. When you're sitting here, that's about a 37-inch TV over there, so you can watch TV with everybody. Like I said, these chairs will swivel. They can watch TV with you, so it's very comfortable. Seating area, very open, not cramped up. Plenty of leg room, so it's great on that. I want you to notice up above too, notice the speakers in the middle, so you have surround sound in here. Notice all the vents for the AC. This coach has 2 AC units that are ducted all the way through. Plenty of comfort, plenty of ventilation. Notice also the lighting. You have the overhead lighting, and then you also have, this is really nice, you have the recess lighting above your dining side of the coach, as I call it. Same thing over here. You have your map. Some people call them map lights, reading lights. They're all up. They're all across here. You have lighting up underneath these cabinets. Like I said, more storage here. Plenty of storage. So as we start working our way towards the kitchen area, I want you to know there's power plugs all over the coach. They also have, for your phone plug-ins, you have the jacks for that as well. Plenty of power accessory points to keep all your devices charged and going while you're on the road. As you come into the kitchen, nice 3 drawers here. They are the soft close drawers. They do latch in place though, so you don't have to worry about them bouncing open on you. A couple of cabinets here, open up nice. Look at the texture on the door. Look at how they did that. Isn't that pretty? Very nice dark wood layout. Then on your sink system, it is a 1 sink layout. It's a stainless steel. I always call this like the old farm sink style. See how it's laid in there? Very beautiful sink, very elegant. You also have the hose system for when you need the nozzle when you need to move things around. Very easy, good swivel point, nice, elegant, simple design. Coming across, more storage underneath the sink area, plenty of room, okay? Plenty of cabinet space here. Then you come over, let's go over to your microwave. This is a convection microwave, all stainless steel. Notice the appliances are stainless steel. Then coming down, you have a 3-burner gas cook stove top. And notice that backsplash, I saved that for the last. Look at the backsplash in this. Isn't that nice? Then you have your oven system right here. Probably won't cook a turkey dinner in it, but I guarantee you can get a casserole, meatloaf, some pizzas in it, things of that nature. Then you have your stainless refrigerator system. Nice, beautiful, clean, open. It's got a lot of room, a lot of storage. You get a lot of food in here. Same thing with the freezer. Nice big freezer design. Plenty of space. Keep plenty of food. So you're not having to go to the grocery store every day. It also has a safety latch when you're on the road. And it's that easy to operate. No problem. Now across from the stove area and the kitchen is this door. What is in here? We have a half bath set up in here. This coach is a 1.5 bath. Plenty of deep storage. Notice up on the left above the commode, there is 2 big storage options there. 2 on the left and up above. Plenty of storage. Nice stainless drain away sink. It's very clean, very simple, very easy to maintain. And then one other storage thing you have over here, and this, look how deep that is. Towels, what have you, plenty of things, plenty of room in this coach. Okay, so we're going to shut this. We're going to go on to the next beauty of this nice coach. This has a washer and dryer. And they are a complete unit. It is a Whirlpool set, stackable washer and dryer. Washer on the bottom, dryer on top. It's made by Whirlpool, very good brand. You also have storage above for your soaps, detergents, things of that nature, for your laundry. And it's very convenient. It's out in the open. You're not crammed getting into it. Look at this, I have plenty of room, okay? So, closing that. Now let's go into the master suite. As we step in, just past before we step in the door, I have you have 2 more storage places. This can be used for canned goods, spices, or if you want to use more for clothing, but you have more kitchen storage right here, okay? Easy access to close and open. Now, the one nice thing going into this, for privacy, the way these are made, we do have a nice pocket door system. Gives you plenty of your own privacy. Easy to open, easy to maneuver, easy to handle. As you come into the bedroom area, king size bed, and when you travel, it's so easy to make this bed system work. This simply folds over. Look how easy that is. That way when you bring your slide in, it's not mashing up against any of the other side. Again, in this one, on both sides of the bed, you have power ports for your phones, for electrical plug-ins, anything you need, you have it all right there. You also have the map lighting or the reading lights up under the bed, okay? And you have plenty of headroom. If you're a tall person, when you get up, you're not going to bang your head. You got plenty of headroom to sit up on. Okay, back on this side, you have more power ports. You have another TV in the bedroom, and look at all this storage you have. Look at that. 6 drawers of storage. Then over here, stereo system right here built in. You can control it with a remote control. You can run your surround sound through here, play your music, everything you want right here. 4 more drawers. And then this is I think the cream puff of this. Look at this big wardrobe you have. Plenty of storage, and it goes all the way through to both sides. So you have plenty for hanging clothes, plenty of storage space. Nice, clean, elegant flooring in this coach. Very simple. The nice thing about it is one of the nicest things that I figured out about this coach, this Invicta, is it's so easy to keep clean because it's so open and fresh and all the counters are smooth. It's very easy to maintain. Okay, come on back. We got one more big surprise for you. The master bathroom. Now, as you come in this master bathroom, you got a walk-in shower. Look at that. Plenty of space. Big open shower. Lot of storage. Lot of room. Easy to maneuver. I'm going to get in there and show you how big it is here in just a second. But I do want to show you. You have power points here and here. You have 2 sets of plug-ins here. Plenty of storage on this side. Up above for your towels. What have you. Towel racks. Toiletries. Underneath more storage under the sink. You also have the medicine cabinet. Perfect for travel. Okay, remember I told y'all I'm going to go in on the back side of this just to show you that you can still do it. Like I said, 6'2" on a good day. Plenty of room in the shower. Plenty of room. It's a great shower. No problems here. Nice lighting because of the skylight. Plenty of visibility. I have plenty of room to turn around in here, so it's not like I'm doing this. Big, spacious tower. Take advantage of it. Back out, another commode back there. Like I said, dual AC systems, and they are ducted across, okay? Plenty of lighting. There's all kinds of lighting in this coach. Bedroom slides out and open. Plenty of walkway, plenty of room. We can pass by each other. We're not cramped. Like I said, great coach, sleeps 8 people. So, back out into the front. Like I said, RV Depot, Cleburne, Texas. Look us up on the website, rvdepottx.com. Give us a call. The number's on the bottom of the screen. Come by. Let us help you find the coach that'll make your life great.